Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening and welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host, Emma, and tonight we're talking about a story that could have left Maryland families feeling stranded under a mountain of regulatory red tape. Imagine waking up one morning to find out that the state you call home is mandating that nearly half of all new cars sold there be electric by 2027, with a whopping 100% by 2035. Sounds like a great idea in theory, but when you factor in the real-world costs and challenges of making such a drastic change, it quickly becomes a recipe for disaster. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. The current cost of electric vehicles is already comparable to gas-powered cars, with the added expense of electricity, charging equipment, and time-to-recharge costs pushing the price tag even higher. And if you add in the penalty for non-compliance, we're talking upwards of $20,000 per vehicle. It becomes clear that this policy is more about punishing car manufacturers than actually helping consumers. But what really stands out here is the lack of charging infrastructure in Maryland. With only 38 charging stations for every 1,000 electric vehicles, it's like they're expecting everyone to be a superhero with super speedy recharging skills. And let's not forget about grid reliability, with Maryland already struggling to keep up with its own energy needs. Adding thousands more electric vehicles to the mix could be a recipe for disaster. Fortunately, Congress has finally stepped in and rescinded the waiver that allowed California to impose these regulations on other states like Maryland. It was a bipartisan effort, with 35 House Democrats joining forces with Republicans to send a clear message. When it comes to regulating transportation, we need to listen to the people, not just the regulators. This is exactly why we're here at ElectroDrive News, to bring you the latest updates on the electric vehicle industry and help you make informed decisions about your own driving habits. Whether you're a seasoned EV owner or just considering making the switch, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for more news and analysis from our team of experts.